Hi Sagittarius, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading for love or romantic situation. Just take what resonates for you at wag ipilit itugma kung hindi para sa inyo. Maraming salamat Sagittarius. Please like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell for updates from this channel. Let's see kung ano yung energy mo and your person in love and romantic situation. Sagittarius, ano yung energy ng person mo towards you? Okay, Ace of Pentacles. Okay. Yeah. Nagkaroon ng imbalance, no, sa inyong relasyon or nagkaroon ng emotional detachment or separation sa inyo before, Sagittarius, with this person. Yung iba sa inyo, you're dealing with a Gemini, a Scorpio, Libra, okay, Earth sign also, Virgo, Capricorn, and Taurus, okay, and Leo. Alright? Yeah. Okay. Yung person mo ngayon is nagre-recover, no, from heartaches or past pain. Siguro meron kayong nagawa na hindi maganda towards him or her. Mga wrongdoings, no, na talagang nasaktan yung person ninyo. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, there is an energy of a third party, okay? Or disgrace na mga behavior and attitude, okay? Outside your relationship. Yeah, kung hindi man nagkaroon ng physical na separation or paghihiwalayan, okay? But at some point, nagkaroon ng ganong punto, yung parang hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan because of because of betrayal, okay, and deception. So now your person gusto niya i-end kung ano man yung heartaches na meron siya, he or she is discovering. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo parang gusto niya ring i-renew, no, or resurgence, panunumbalik ng isang relasyon. Maybe this person is giving you a signal na gusto niya pa rin ikaw, okay, naaalala ka niya. Okay, and you, Sagittarius, parang nagkaroon kayo din ng parang nakikita mo na, you know, yung truth sa inyong sitwasyon, nag-gain ka ng clarity, you know. And now, gusto mong ibalik. Oh? Gusto mong makipagbalikan siguro or ibalik yung dating sigla or dynamics ng inyong relationship, no? Paunti-unti, no? So, meron kang desire to work with that person, no? As a teamwork at inertia uli, itbalik ang inyong relasyon. Okay? You are determined or interested to take steps, no? To progress or to succeed in this relationship. Okay? Ibalik yung dating sigla ng relasyon. Okay? Happiness and joy. Contentment in the situation. Yeah, your person, mahal ka ng person mo, very attracted siya sa inyo. Meron feeling niya, meron talaga kayong sexual chemistry, no? There is passionate love. Pero biglang nawala yun dati because of some third party or betrayal or dishonesty na nagkaroon ng distraction, no? Sa inyong relasyon or sa inyong connection. Okay? Nawala yung sigla. Okay? And na-hurt talaga yung person mo. And now he or she is gaining strength, no? Yeah, yung person mo is willing to give you a chance, no? And willing to forgive you, no? And open siya for a new start, no? Or renewal ng inyong relasyon or connection. Ace of Pentacles, ano to? Please. The Emperor, yeah. Your person wants to establish ulit yung relationship. Magkaroon ng renewal for some of you, no? Yeah, something na stable. Pag-uusapan kung ano yung mga long-term plans ninyo. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, healing. So, merong kapatawaran sa kapatawaran, no? In the connection, or your person feels na he or she is willing to forgive you, no? And open siya sa mga possibilities, no? About sa inyong relasyon. He or she is healing right now, or recovering, or already recovered, no? Yeah. And the same time, protective din siya sa sarili niya because he or she doesn't want to get hurt anymore. Sagittarius. Four of Swords, High Priestess. Yeah. Deep inside, your person wants you. Okay? Parang this is like a secret. Para sa kanya, parang ayaw niya sabihin or i-share yun sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. Meron siyang, or deep inside, na-forgive ka na niya. Kahit hindi pa niya nasabi sa inyo, deep inside, he or she is allowing you again. And at the same time, inoobserbahan niya din ang inyong mga actions or inyong mga galaw. Okay, yung energy ninyo. Sagittarius, tingnan natin, the Lovers, ano to? Yeah, Queen of Cups. Your person wants to elevate the relationship, no? And i-regain ulit yung trustworthiness in the relationship. So your person gusto niya ibalik paunti-unti, no? Yung trust niya sa inyo. Okay? Yeah, mahal ka ng person na to, Sagittarius. Wait lang. Yeah. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, this person is nagpapakita na parang unti-unti nababalik na yung trust niya sa inyo. Okay? A level up of the situation. Okay? Ace of Swords. Tingnan natin. The Ten of Wands. Yes, you are gaining clarity of the situation. You don't want any burdens anymore. Sagittarius, on your part, parang nahirapan ka din sa sitwasyon ninyo kung nagkaroon man ng emotional detachment. Okay? And for you, you are ending kung ano man to, maybe a third party, betrayal, deception, you are ending that. Yeah. Because you also want a new start, Sagittarius, in your relationship. Okay? Three of Pentacles. Ano to? The Hierophant. Yeah, harmony and balance, no? Kung ano yung tradisyon, no? Traditional or normal sa isang relasyon, yun ang gusto mo ngayon. Binibigyan mo ng value ang inyong, yeah, for some of you, you are married to this person or you are committed to this person. So, you want to work with that person para i-pursue yung commitment na yon or i-pursue yung long-term na relationship or even marriage, no? Or i-correct. Okay, willing ka makipag-compromise, makipag-cooperate sa person na yan, no? To preserve the commitment or the relationship. Seven of Pentacles. The Hangman. Yeah. So slowly, no? Slowly, you are just letting things to unfold naturally, no? Yung parang walang pressure sa'yo, or wala rin, ayaw mo din i-pressure yung person mo. Okay, you just want things to happen naturally, no? Sa dynamics na inyong relasyon. Okay? But of course, you want to nurture, no? Slowly, the relationship. Okay? Pero gusto mo yung walang, ayaw mong pilitin ka or i-force ka. Something like that. Gusto mo yung natural. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are willing to let go. Kung may mga relationship patterns na hindi maganda sa inyo, or even sa iyo, Sagittarius, or maybe you have not so good behavior, no, towards your person, no, na naapektuhan ang inyong relationship, you are willing to let go of that, no, and change, no, accept rules to be responsible with your person, no, or sa inyong partnership or relationship or connection. Okay, Knight of Swords. Let's see, ano to? Yeah, Ten of Pentacles. You are driven. Determinado ka, driven ka na ayusin, no? Yeah, for some of you, you already have a family with this person, no? Yeah, nurturing kung ano yung family na meron ka, yung binuo mo. Preserve trustworthiness and respect, no? And honesty also in the relationship. Okay? You are determined, no? It's like parang yung loyalty mo, you are also making time with your person or with your family. Okay? Yeah, kung dati parang hindi mo sila napagtuunan ng pansin, okay? Yeah, merong pagkukulang sa part mo. So now parang pinupuno mo yan. Pinupunan or pinupuno. Something like that, no? Yeah. You are righting wrongs, kumbaga. Okay? Yung parang bumabawi, yun. Okay? Yun. Yeah, Sagittarius. So, yeah. Yeah. Yung person mo is healing or recovering, no? Or napatawad ka na niya. Pero parang yung discreet lang, okay? And he or she is also observing kung ano yung behavior mo, no? Kung ano nangyayari sa inyo, okay? Kung meron pa siyang nakikita na improvements sa part mo. Okay? Magandang pagpapago sa part mo. Yeah, your person is willing, no? Na parang i-elevate, no, yung relationship nyo into something deeper, no, and fulfilling. Okay, because your person wants stability, he or she wants structure. Okay, pinipreserve niya kung ano yung commitment, no, binavalue niya yon, and even marriage. Yeah. Tingnan natin the Sun. Tingnan natin. Just take what resonates for you. Okay. The Sun, tingnan natin. Yeah. So, give time and attention to your person, Sagittarius, to your family, okay? Ibalik yung dating sigla, no, ng inyong relasyon, yung fun days, okay, happy moments, trust, respect, no? So, yun. So, these are the energy for you, Sagittarius. Thank you so much and all the best, and see you on the next video. Bye!